Hello everyone, this is Iftikhar, and I'm going to talk about the voice-based AI homework app that we have built via the Chatgpt program. And today we are excited to present the our project on voice-based AI homework app, a solution designed to make learning easier and more efficient for students, while others supporting teachers with accurate real-time updates. And our team members will talk about later in here. Together we build and our we have built this idea to solve a common problem, and the problem is mainly the students struggling with their homework and teachers lacking the instant visibility and student progress. In the next slide, we're going to show the problem. So now we walk you through how our system works from start to finish. So the process begins with the student recording a voice message instant of type or writing. The student simply explains what are they are confused about and in their own words. Next, the AI interprets the voice message. It converts the message into structured academic problem and identifying the subject, the exact homework question, and the areas where the student needs help. And after interpreting this message, the system updates the school's spreadsheet automatically. This spreadsheet logs such students' progress, making it easy for teachers to track their students assistant on what topic. And finally, if the AI finds anything unclear or detect any error, so the teacher is notified immediately. And for follow-up, this ensures the accuracy and keeps teachers informed in real time. The This entire flow makes this learning process faster, more transparent, and highly efficient for both students and teachers. And thank you everyone for this opportunity. And I'm going to turn it over to my teammate to talk about more. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Basim Islam, continuing after my group member about the presentation. First of all, I would like to apologize for not including my webcam because I'm having some technical issues with it. Okay, let's talk about the slide. Technology, AI, and role. What does it mean and what it really implies to? Okay, to bridge the gaps, we need to introduce our voice-based AI homework assistant. The core person of this is to transforming student input. You might ask why voice-based? Students may struggle to type or articulate problems in proper academic language. Voice is the most natural, accessible way for young learners to communicate. And now, then another question is, what is the AI's core role, or what does it do? It listens to the student's voice message, converts unclear or informal speech into a structured academic version or into a question, handles local dialects and varying speech clarity using speech to text program. And what are the outcome of this part? Students receive help quickly without needing any technical knowledge. It removes the barrier created by low literacy or limited digital skills. So, in short, if I would like to summarize this whole technology and the AI role, the AI acts as a translator between the student's natural speech and the academic language the system and the teachers understand. Let's get continue with the fourth slide. As you can see, the slide is pretty much straightforward. There are four integral flow of our business process flow. Number one is voice message. Number two is AI interpretation. Number two, updating the spreadsheets. And number four is the teacher's notification. If I just want to summarize on this topic again or on this slide again, what are the main key parts? Students just send a voice message. The AI interpret it into a structural problem. Then the AI updates it, the spreadsheet with progress, and the teacher gets notified only if something needs correction. So overall, this business process flow is pretty much clear, straightforward, to the point, and it is easier to implement using AI. Thank you.
Hello, this is me, Nuruzzaman Shaheen, and on this slide, I will talk about the main problems students face when using our AI homework app and the solutions we created to fix those problems. The first problem we have is local dialect. Many students speak in strong regional accents, and sometimes the AI cannot understand what they are saying. This makes the communications very difficult and lead to huge confusions. So to solve this problem, we have trained the AI with local voice samples so that it can understand the way students naturally speak in their own dialect. The next problem we have is low microphone quality. Most students use very cheap or old microphones, which creates noise or unclear audios. If the audio is not clear, the AI may not catch the words correctly. To fix this problem, our app uses noise reduction and voice cleaning options or features. So even with poor audio quality, it becomes easier for the AI to understand very easily. The third problem is student mistrust. Many students, especially first generation learners, feel unsure about using technology. They may think that AI will not understand them, or the AI will give them wrong answers. So, to help with this, our app gives simple, friendly, and easy to understand responses, which helps students to feel more comfortable and slowly builds their trust. And the last but not the least is no electricity. So basically in rural areas, power cut happen very often, and this stops students from using digital tools. Because of this, learning becomes irregular. To solve this issue, our app is designed to work offline, and it saves the students progress until the electricity or internet comes back. So overall, we focus on solving four big problems, which are local dialect, low microphone quality, student mistrust, and no electricity. By solving these barriers, our AI app becomes easier to use and more helpful for students in rural areas.
Hello everyone, my name is Muntasi Shahriar Ahmed, and in this section of the presentation, I will briefly compare the effectiveness of our AI based homework interpretation system with the traditional learning process used in rural flood affected areas. First, let's look at clarification time. In the traditional method, when students get stuck, they often wait 2 to 3 days for clarification, mainly because teachers are unavailable during flooding or because communication is slow. With our AI system, this wait time drops to under 2 minutes. Students simply record their confusion and the AI immediately interprets the problem and provides a simplified explanation. This means support becomes timely, continuous, and accessible during school closures. Next, we examine error understanding. One of the biggest issues rural students face is describing their confusion accurately. They often use vague terms like the circle thing is not matching, which teachers find hard to interpret, especially over the phone. Or our AI tool reduces these misunderstanding errors by about 50%. It converts informal speech into clear academic language, helping teachers and students communicate more precisely. This directly improves student learning outcomes and reduces frustration. Finally, let's consider teacher workload. Teachers in rural areas are already burdened with large classes and limited resources. Because the AI handles simple clarification on its own, teachers only receive cases that require deeper attention. This reduces their workload by around half, allowing them to focus on personalized support for the students who need it the most. In the summary, the AI system significantly improves learning continuity, reduces misunderstanding, and lightens teachers' workload, making it a highly effective solution for educational challenges. That's it for me. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. Now, to conclude our presentation, we want to highlight why this voice-based AI homework app truly matters to rural char communities. Students in this area face challenges that most of us take for granted: limited digital global access, unstable electricity, frequent flooding, and where very academic support at home. These barriers make it extremely difficult for them to keep up with their studies, especially when they don't understand their homework. Our solution directly addresses these issues with just a simple voice message. A student can express their confusion in their own dialect. The AI then interprets it and transforms it into a clear problem and updates the teacher instantly. What used to take 2 or 3 days for clarification is now solved under 2 minutes. This is not only improving the learning accuracy, it is also reducing the misunderstanding and significantly reducing the teaching workload. Instead of spending hours sorting through student issues, student can now focus on direct guidance and personalized support. The real value of our club is its accessibility. Students don't need high-end devices, stronger internet, or advanced digital skills. A basic phone and the ability to speak are enough. This makes the solution sustainable and realistic for rural communities. Ultimately, our app empowers first generation learners, keeping their education on track despite environmental changes, and supports teachers in managing classroom demanding more efficiently. In short, the Voice AI Homework app brings more educational support directly to those who need it most, helping building a stronger and more equitable future for rural education. Thank you for your attention.